everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Samsung phone back to English. So just swipe down from the top right, go to settings, so you can see this option right here. Just look at all these little icons I press. Settings. Scroll on down and we can just scroll all the way down to the bottom. Then right here you're going to see these little options right here for general management. Look at the icon, match that icon up. So I can zoom in and you can see it. General management, that icon. Click it. The first option is going to be language. English. Choose language. You can go to add language. So we have a bunch of different English ones. We have like Filipinas, Estados Unidos, English, United States. So just go on down to English. And then we have a bunch of suggestions, so I'm just going to do the United States. Then you can set as default down at the bottom. So if I zoom out, you can see it'll prompt you. Let's go to set as default. So I have two different English versions on here. I can decide which one I want. Go to apply. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.